our next, actually our next syllable type we're going to be learning about is phonics is magic E. We love the magic E because that E is so powerful at the end of a word. So that E has magical powers and it jumps over only one consonant. It can only jump over one. That is really important. And it makes the first vowel say its name. So example, here's that E and it goes bippity boppity boot and it makes that O say O. So the word is joke. I like to say bippity boppity boot, get them excited. You do not have to. But if I look at this number, I'm going to look at the whole word, oh, and I see an E, and I'm going to say, oh, there's one consonant, so the E is going to go tell that I to say its name. So I would tap this, S, T, R, I, D. The E, after it does its job, is silent, so it says stride. Now, I don't say this is a silent E. This is a magic E. It has a job because it makes the I say its name. So we like to refer to it as magic E, not a silent E. There are silent E's, and we'll get to that, but these are not silent E's. They have a job. So here's another example. If I look at the whole word, I see it ends with the E. I'm going to see, oh, there's one consonant, so it can jump over. Look at this E. It makes that E say its name. So the word is Eve. So the same thing. E jumps over, tells the U to say its name. Rule. You get, that is our magic E. It jumps over one. Now, to decode two-syllable words with magic E, we're going to do the same thing. We're going to identify our vowel sounds first, our first two vowel sounds. So in this word, it's going to be vowel, vowel, draw my bridge, consonant, consonant. I still have that pattern, so I'm going to chop. So I look at my vowel, look at what's behind. There's an N. So this is closed in. So my I is going to say I. So my first syllable says I, N. I'm going to look at my second syllable. I look all through the whole thing and I see a magic E. So my E tells my A to say its name. This is actually going to be a magic E syllable. So it's going to be ale, hail. So I put it together, inhale. I'm going to do one more so we can practice that. So you identify your first two vowel sounds, O and U in this case. I'm going to draw my bridge, identify my consonants underneath my bridge, so I know I can split between consonant, consonant. So what I just did, I identified that this was a two-syllable word. So I'm going to look at my vowel. Behind my vowel is an M. It's closed in. So my O goes ah. So this is going to say calm. And then I look at my second syllable and I see that there's a magic E. Bippity boppity boo. It's going to say, tell the U to say its name. So pute. This is a magic E syllable type. So if I put it together, compute. Compute. So I hope that makes sense. It's really cool. Our words are expanding that we can read. I love it. I love it. And then our last thing for magic E is that sometimes that E we have soft C because of that E. And that is ace and ice. So C, if we have ACE, it's going to say ace, not ache. The E makes the C go soft. So for example, we have grace or space or face. And then in the ICE, we have ice. The I and the E put on the sides of C makes C go so price, twice, slice. So that if we see ACE, we're going to know it says ace. And if we see ICE, it's going to say ice. So just being on the lookout for that pattern as that comes up because we're going to see magic E. But that is magic E. Remember, it can only jump over one consonant to make that first vowel say its name. And we don't refer to it as silent because it has a job. But we do not top that E because it's not saying anything after it does its job. I hope that is helpful. Like always, let us know how we can best serve you.